Hey, my name is Corbin with My Tennessee Home Solution. We buy houses with cash in any condition. Whether that's you're behind on taxes, facing foreclosure issues, problems with tenants, or the property has too many repairs that you don't want to deal with. We help people by giving offers in 24 hours or less, purchasing with cash as quickly as 7 days, with the property in its current condition. Our goal is to make this a stress and hassle-free experience for you. Our intent is to be problem solvers and a solution for you. We're a local veteran team here in the Middle Tennessee area with a passion for helping others. If you're looking for an easy way to sell your house without any fees or a long drawn out process, then visit our site at mytennesseehomesolution.com or give us a call at 615-933-5431 and let's get you on to your next adventure.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.